Hi guys. Some people were complaining that I always speak American accent and I don't speak Igbo accent. Fine. Okay. Today we're gonna be using American accent to speak Igbo and using American accent to say animals in Igbo. So, ta kankuzinenu animal in Igbo.
You say?
Today, we're going to be teaching you guys on how to say animals in Igbo.
Antelope.
Umbodor.
Again?
Umbodor.
Hey, you.
Umbodor.
Eh?
Umbodor.
Bat.
Unsu.
Again?
Unsu.
You.
Usur.
Again?
Usur.
Bird.
Ununu.
Again?
Ununu.
And you.
Ununu.
Again?
Ununu.
Cat.
One bird.
Eh?
One bird.
And you.
Wombo.
Wombo. Cat is what?
One bird.
Again?
One bird.
I'm asking British.
One bird. One bird.
Lion.
Ordom.
Again?
Ordom.
And you.
Ordom.
Tiger.
Ordu.
Ago. Tiger.
Orgu.
Again?
Orgu.
You own.
Ogo.
Again?
Ogo.
Butterfly.
Bibber.
Again?
Bibber.
And you.
Baba.
Again?
Baba.
Cockroach.
Teacher.
Again?
Teacher.
You own.
Chicho.
Again?
Chicho. Is it teacher or what are you trying to tell us?
Monkey.
Error.
Monkey.
Error.
You.
Error.
Goat.
Error.
Again?
Error.
Goat.
Error.
Again?
Error. Everything from you sounds opposite. Oh.
So let's make sentence. You're going to use Igbo. Let's make sentence with goats. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I got something to say. Okay. I will not half of you.
Again?
I will not half of you.
What does it mean?
The goat is eating grass.
Lion. Make a sentence with lion.
Okay. Odumeje is a lion. Odumeje budum.
What?
Odumeje budum.
Oh yeah. Antelope. Make sentence with antelope.
The antelope ran from its prey.
Okay.
Ngwada. Barasa. Iyo charinya.
Here, Charlie Megan.
Yeah.
Iria.
Iria, yeah. What do you think? Iria. The cat is eating fish.
Alright.
One bird na tazo.
Again.
One bird na tazo.
One banana tazo. To bat.
The bat flies at night. Asune fe na bani.
Again.
Asune fe na bani.
Onefe.
Yeah.
Oferera ofetere no no.
Ofetro no you.
Oferera begi.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah bugene.
Oh yeah, bele frutrozone. Whatever. Birds live on trees.
Again.
Birds live on trees.
Ozoma. Brian, oh yeah.
Oh no, bino sissy.
Again.
Oh no, bino sissy.
No, bino sisi.
Aye, mechago bossatata. Imusakwaye. Hope you learned something. Please follow, share, like, and comment. See you on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.